8th graders, we are starting a new chapter in science, chapter 5. So lesson 1 is light and color. This chapter is going to be all about light. So let's get started. First, our Planet Diary is fun facts today. It says, why is the sky blue? Why does the sky look blue on a clear sunny day? The answer has to do with the nature of light. The sun gives off white light. White light is made up of many colors. The different colors of light have different wavelengths. Red light has a longer wavelength than blue light. As the sun's light passes through our atmosphere, gas molecules in the air scatter the sunlight. The blue wavelengths get scattered the most, so the sky appears blue. Pretty cool. So, 2 key questions today. First, what determines color? And second, how do colors combine? So, we have most materials can be classified as transparent, translucent, or opaque. Make sure you keep those first 2 separate. So transparent means a material that transmits most of the light that strikes it. Transparent things are water, air, and clear glass. Translucent is a material that scatters the light that passes through it. So translucent things can be wax paper and frosted glass. Opaque is a material that reflects or absorbs all of the light that strikes it. So some opaque materials are metals and tightly woven fabric. So the color of an opaque object is the color of the light it reflects. The color of a transparent or translucent object is the color of the light it transmits. So opaque is reflection and transparent or translucent is the one it transmits. So the primary colors are 3 colors that can combine to make any color. Secondary colors are produced by 2 primary colors that combine in equal amounts. Now maybe you're thinking of paint, because that's usually the first thing I think of when I think of colors, or art class at the very least. So these are actually going to be different primary, secondary, and then we'll get to the complementary colors than what you would typically think of for art class. So let's move on. When the 3 primary colors of light are combined in equal amounts, they produce white light. And then we have the complementary colors, any 2 colors that combine to form white light. So the primary colors are red, blue, and green. So that would be a switch. Normally it's yellow. This in light, it's green. And then the secondary colors are yellow, cyan, which is a bluish color, and then magenta, which is kind of like purpley red. Okay. So then we have pigments, colored substances that are used to color other materials. When the 3 primary colors of pigments are combined in equal amounts, they produce black. So our 4 vocabulary words, and actually that should include pigments also. I'm sorry, it does on the next slide because I had so many I had to put 2 slides. So first we have transparent, a material that transmits most of the light that strikes it. Translucent, a material that scatters the light that passes through it. Opaque, a material that reflects or absorbs all of the light that strikes it. Primary colors, 3 colors that can combine to make any other color. Secondary color, produced by 2 primary colors that combine in equal amounts. Complementary colors, any 2 colors that combine to form white light. And pigments are colored substances that are used to color other materials. And then we have our assignment. Please complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 1. Make sure you read each question and answer option carefully, and then select the best option. If you have any questions, let me know.